Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a box truck business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a box truck business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Goods must be moved from one location to another for a variety of reasons, which means that having the right truck can open up a world of possibilities. You can courier large products and packages, help people move, haul away junk, or even make Amazon deliveries with a box truck, which is a chassis cab with an enclosed box-shaped cargo space. Trucks transport more than 70% of all freight in the United States, making the trucking industry worth nearly $750 billion. You can get a piece of that massive market and make a good living with a box truck. However, starting a box truck business will be difficult, and you will need the right knowledge to succeed. Fortunately, this step-by-step guide is jam-packed with insights and information to get you started on your way to building a successful box truck business. Step 1. Determine if the business is a good fit for you. The American Trucking Association estimates that the trucking industry in the United States will be worth more than $730 billion in 2020. Due to increased demand for shorter distance deliveries, the industry has seen a steady increase in the use of medium-duty trucks such as box trucks, rather than 18-wheelers over the last decade or so. This creates a tremendous opportunity for the box truck entrepreneur. According to market research firm Statista, the e-commerce market in the United States is expected to grow from $430 billion in 2020 to over $560 billion by 2025, a 30% increase. This means that trucks that can make a large number of deliveries in a small area in a short period of time will be in high demand. A box truck business can be started for as little as $6,500 and as much as $14,000. These figures include either purchasing a used truck for as little as $5,000 or making a 5 to 10% down payment on a new truck, which could cost up to $50,000. The cost of delivering a box truck varies greatly depending on the size and value of the load. Working alone, you can expect a profit margin of 70% and an average load price of $200. In your first year or two, you could work from home and make 10 deliveries per week, earning around $100,000 in revenue and $70,000 in profit. As your brand grows and you add trucks, hire drivers, and rent an office, you may be able to do 50 loads per week, but your margin will drop to around 20%. As a result, your annual revenue would exceed $500,000, and your pre-tax profit would be approximately $100,000. These figures are consistent with Amazon's delivery service, Amazon Relay, which offers average salaries ranging from $50,000 to $150,000. That's another option you could look into, though the hours can be long. A box truck business has a few barriers to entry. Your most difficult challenges will be 1. Getting clients. To get work, you'll need to stand out. 2. Box truck. You must find and finance a dependable vehicle. Step 2. Fine-tune your concept. Now that you understand what it takes to start a box truck business, you should refine your concept before entering a competitive market. Investigate local box truck companies to learn about their services, pricing, customer reviews, and what appears to be in high demand. You're looking to fill a market gap. For example, perhaps the local market lacks an estate clean-out service, in which you haul away items left in a home after the estate has been settled. By specializing in a specific aspect of your industry, you can target a niche market. This could kickstart your word-of-mouth marketing and bring in new customers right away. Because a box truck can be used for so many different things, you may want to consider which services you will provide. You can deliver for local businesses. Offer moving services. Remove trash from basement or garage cleanouts. Remove items from estates. Food delivery service. Advertising as a mobile billboard. Collaborate with a logistics company. Add a snowplow to boost work in winter. Box truck delivery prices vary depending on the weight and value of the load. A minimum rate of $120 is frequently used, and the weight and value are used to calculate the final price. Check the prices of box truck companies in your area to ensure that yours are competitive. The truck and gas will be your biggest expenses before you hire anyone. Your target market will be determined by the services you intend to provide. You can find business owners on sites like LinkedIn if you offer a delivery service for local stores. To keep costs low in the early stages, you may want to run your business from home. However, as your company grows, you will most likely need to hire employees for various roles and may need to rent an office space. LoopNet, Craigslist, Crexi, and Commercial Cafe can help you find commercial space to rent in your area. When selecting a commercial space, consider the following guidelines. Central location accessible via public transport. Ventilated and spacious, with good natural light. Flexible lease that can be extended as your business grows. Ready-to-use space with no major renovations or repairs needed. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a box truck business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.